Are you still wasting hours doing simple tasks? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 free AI tools that Americans are using in 2025 to save time, work smarter, and even make money. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll thank me later. Notion AI is like your personal writing assistant. Whether you're a student, marketer, or a busy parent, this tool helps you write blogs, emails, to-do lists, and even creative stories, all in seconds. It's free inside Notion. Just activate the AI feature and start typing. No technical skill required. Want to make videos without showing your face? Pictory converts any blog or script into a professional-looking video. Thousands of Americans are now using this to grow YouTube channels and earn passive income. You don't even need editing experience. Forget Google. Perplexity AI gives you smarter, more accurate answers with sources. It's a research tool that saves hours, especially for students and professionals. Ask anything and it responds with facts, not just links. Need to design something amazing? Leonardo AI helps you create high-quality images using just words. Graphic designers and e-commerce sellers in the US love this one, and it's totally free. Of course, ChatGPT. From writing content to solving problems and even learning new skills, Americans are using ChatGPT daily. Combine it with the tools above, and you'll feel like Iron Man with Jarvis. Which AI tool will you try first? Comment below and let me know. Subscribe for more amazing AI tools that would change your life.